morning class.
Morning.
Morning, teacher.
Today we will learn about
Probability.
good.
Probability.
So what is probability? Later we will see. But let us see what is our learning outcome. Liu, can you read?
Should I stand up?
Yes.
Student will be able to determine whether an outcome is a possible outcome of an experiment. These are the possible outcomes of an experiment from activities and by reasoning.
Thank you, Liu. So let us look what is probability. Okay. Probability is the measure of how likely a particular event will happen. It is either possible to occur or impossible to occur. So we need an experiment to get the probability. So what is an experiment? An experiment is a situation of carrying out a specific activity and observing its result. So example of the experiment is tossing a coin. Then when we toss a coin, we will get an outcome. So what is an outcome? Outcome are the result or observation of an experiment. So do you guys have a coin?
No.
I have
I don't have my first teacher.
Okay, never mind. Then let us look at this picture. So when you toss a coin, what you will get?
Head and tail.
Correct. You get a head, and then on
Okay,
the
cousin.
right side, the one is called
Tail.
a tail.
At least.
It's a dragon.
Head and tail. Okay. So let's look at this example now. So can we get a prime number as the possible outcome?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. What is a prime of number?
2.
3.
2, 3. But what is the definition of prime number?
They can divide
by
itself.
Yeah,
Only.
number that can
Divide by
divide
one.
it by itself and
And also
by 1. Correct? So we will get a prime number which is 2 and 3. Then how about vowels?
No.
No.
Okay, we don't have any vowels. We only have T and K which is consonants. Then how about numbers less than 1?
No.
No.
Sir.
Correct? So now let us look at a more complicated example which is combining of two experiments. When a coin is toasted followed by selecting an alphabet from the words next, what is the possible outcome? What is the experiment we have in this example?
Head and
Toss
tail.
coin.
A toys coin.
Selecting an
Selecting
alphabet.
the alphabet from the words math.
Toast coin and
Select
Alphabet from
an alphabet.
select alphabet for max.
select. Make sure you select.
Okay. So what is the possible outcome for toast a coin? Just now we have the
Head
tail.
and
and tail.
Correct. We have 8 and
Okay.
how about max?
MATHS.
M
A
A
T.
T
H
H
S.
S.
So this is what I've written here. So we have 3 ways for us to obtain the possible outcome. So the first way is by figuring, by tabulation, and by tree diagram. Okay. So by figuring is we just look at what we have here. So the first one we have head and tail. The second we have MAT with S. Okay. First we look at the possible outcome for head. So we will cover the tails. So what we get?
Wow.
What is the possible outcome we get?
Head
Head
M
M.
A
So I write it here. HF H H
HS.
HS. How about tails?
TN.
TM, TA, TT, TH, and finally TH.
Yes, and finally TS. Correct. So this is by figuring. So by tabulation, we will plot. We will draw a table. So okay. For here, you will write the possible outcome for the first experiment. What is the possible outcome?
H.
And
H and here. So you just write H and here. Then for here, we will write
The
the
second.
second experiment, which is
M
M
A T H S.
So it's just like our multiplication table. We just times it. So we will have H and M, followed by H A, H D, H H, H S, T and M, T and A, T and T, T and H, and T and S. The third one we will look at the. Then I have to rub it off.
Tree diagram.
Yes. So here we will write the possible outcome for the first event. What is the first event? Possible outcome, which is
H and T.
Here we will write for the second possible outcome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. M A T S. So it will. So what we will get at here? HN. HN, just like the previous one. HA, HT, HH, HS. Then MTA,
TT.
TT,
DH.
DH, CS. So we have learned the three ways, right? So just to test your understanding, we will have an exercise. This is what I wrote in the board. Okay, here we have an exercise. So I want you to work in 3% 11. Okay. Then okay, for group number 1, which is VU groups, you list all the possible outcome by using the tabulation. And for Khadija group, you use the tree diagram. Yes. Later you need to present your answer.
With replacement, right? So this is the first experiment.
So have you all done?
Almost. One
Okay.
1 second.
Second group, do you have any representative to answer?
Okay, Kharija.
You can
Want to present?
write it in the board.
No, Kharija.
Then for the first group,
You go. You want don't take care. Don't take care. Pura-pura. Okay. Okay. Some of these here,
Teacher finish.
next group.
Did you finish or you finish?
Both finish.
Thank you. So this is the answer you all have discussed. So let us see. A bag contains 3 balls, which is 1 red, yellow, and blue. Then in a game of chance, the runner takes a ball without looking down the color and then put it back. So here also red, yellow, and blue. So by multiplication table, this one is red and red, red, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red, yellow, 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 blue, blue, red, blue, 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 yellow, and blue, blue. Correct? Okay, same goes to this one. Okay. So before I end up my class, let us have a summary. Today our topic is probability. Probability must have an
Experiment.
so
Account.
you obtain an account. What are the 3 types?
Figuring.
Figuring,
Tabulation.